Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And after a few times that I went and looked at my Windows security app and see if the feature was on or not, it seems that after the Patch Tuesday updates of April of 2026, when I go to the app in browser control, and smart app control settings. Look at that. I got an on and off switch. I can actually turn on or off the smart app control feature. So I turned it on. I will be testing my system with this turned on all the time. See if it interferes with anything. I know that some people have said that they've turned it off because some of the apps they use were not working due to this security feature. Remember that this security feature is a way to verify apps, make sure that they are signed and that they are legitimate. And of course, Windows being Windows, there's so many apps that are not necessarily signed. If you use some out of the ordinary hardware that maybe not everybody uses, things like that, it's possible that some apps might be blocked because it just doesn't know if it's an app that's malicious or not. So I'm testing it. I do have a lot of apps and a lot of devices on this PC that are very unique and very different that most people don't have. So I'm curious to see if at some point I'll be blocked. But it is magically working after Patch Tuesday of April for me, and a lot of people have in the comments told me that they've noticed that it was possible to turn it on or off for their PC also. So that is something that you might want to check. Turning it on technically makes you more secure, of course, because it will prevent apps that are unsigned from actually executing on your system. But it is not impossible that it could cause some issues with apps that are perfectly okay. So that will be a test. We'll be talking about it. I'll wait a week or two and maybe come back to see if, especially if I have issues, let you know. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.